Hey, so I'm going to show you how to check your AC. I'm just taking a temperature here so you can see what it's at before I fix the air conditioner. Blowing hot air, 36.5 degrees Celsius. Taking a look here, my AC compressor doesn't turn on at all. So I found out that it's kind of due to the pressure switch, which is right there. So I just need to bypass that switch. And I use this right angle screwdriver to depress the connection and can pull it up. And this is where I'm going to stick a wire to jump those two connectors together. There's my little wire. Just kind of bend it into shape so it makes good contact. And there it is, stuck into the connector to jump that to bypass the pressure switch. And you can see the air compressor clutch is now turned on. And I'll just double check the buttons are working, so I turn the AC off. And now the compressor clutch is deactivated. Here's the recharge kit I used from Canadian Tire for about 50 bucks Canadian. Connect it to the low side, has an L on it there. Pretty easy to install, just press it on. And now I'm going to turn this dial clockwise to puncture the can. That's before I've opened the can. You can see there's no pressure in there. Here I go to open the can. I was a little alarmed that it was in the alert zone, but persevered. Car made a few clicking sounds and some funny noises. And then you unscrew it because that's currently plugging the puncture you just made. And there it is, draining into the coolant system. And I gave it a few shakes just to make sure it was all coming out of the can. And I just fiddled with the screw a little bit, make sure it was well punctured and well open. Get all of that coolant out of there. And now I've gone back into the car, checked the temperature, and it's steadily coming down, 1.7 degrees Celsius. And so I'll take out my jumper cable, put the pressure switch back in, and that's it, all done.